What's up, buds? Good morning. Wednesday, January 7th, 2026 at CES, Las Vegas. 9:41 at the moment. Been at this computer at since 7 in the morning. And most likely I'm going to be at this computer till 7 at night and past that probably. Usually every time I come to these events, there's always a day where I'm stuck in the room editing because I have to. There's no way around it. I got 2 videos to work on. I got a few shorts to work on. Paul went off to film 2 videos, so he's going to come back and drop those off. Then he's going to leave, probably film another 2. And I think after that, we should be all caught up. Thursday, tomorrow, there's a possibility I may end up going to the show floor tomorrow if I'm caught up with all the videos. But if not, then there's a chance that I need to skip that. Just keep working because that's just how it goes. So yeah, that's my current situation. So yeah, it's gonna be one of these videos where I may not show as much as I would like. I see what I can do to make this video a little bit more interesting. But yeah, I gotta work. So let's see how the day goes. All right, it's 12:30. Paul actually went to the show floor. He called me. He's all like, let's get lunch. So we're gonna have lunch here at the Grand Lux. It's actually exiting the elevators towards our room, which is the elevators are over there. But he's actually stuck in the tram because, yeah, taking the tram back from the convention center is actually a mistake. It's so fucking packed with traffic. Excuse me, sorry. So while he's on his way back, I'm just gonna take some time to walk around because I've been sitting all morning in front of the damn PC, so give my legs a little stretch. And I don't know, I guess you can see the gambling life here in Vegas, but I guess I'll take this time to explore something. There was an area up here where they had like a statue and they removed it. And and there's like a stairs that goes down, it goes somewhere that I'm not sure where, so I'm gonna just explore a little bit while Paul's on the way. Also, in the meantime, I guess this is a good opportunity to fucking, again, make a fucking public announcement towards viewers of my videos here. Now, for the most part, like I think people that follow me on YouTube and they watch my videos, I think for the most part people know that my videos are very quickly filmed and edited. I'm trying to like get these things done as fast as possible. There's an exit for like the street. Oh, this wasn't here before. I think all this is new. It's actually nice here. There's nobody here because, like I said, this is new, so maybe people are not familiar with this area. There's a taxi exit over there, luggage area. Simple enough. Yeah, it's a steakhouse, so that answers that question. It was down here. Neat. I do like the art of the cows here, I'll admit. So that's all abstract. Neat. All right. So anyways, as usual, for the most part, you guys are following me on my YouTube channel and you watch my videos. You guys are consistently watching my videos. You guys leave comments, and I appreciate you guys big time. And for the most part, honestly, you're the ones that keep in mind when I'm making my videos. I want to share these experiences, these moments with you through my videos, right? And people that don't know me, or they just see CES on the damn title of the video. Yeah, people that just see CES in the title, they just watch my videos and then they complain that like the video is basic as fuck or whatever, or I'm not showing like the latest and greatest gadget or some shit, or I don't have like the best editing or something to get mad. Straight out, anybody that leaves comments like that, I'm just blocking you. Fuck it, I don't give a shit. I have zero time to deal with that, and I do that more for me than anything else, really. I'm just fucking have zero time for that. But yeah, these videos are generally just for fun and to show you the in between or the behind the scenes of everything that you don't see when it comes to tech. There's a lot that goes on in between, from one show booth to the other, between videos, and I have fun sharing that part of the video making process. Part of the reason I like making these videos is because one is fun, but yeah, there's a lot that happens in between the video making process that a lot of people don't know about or don't see. So that's the whole point of me making this video, so you guys can see that. So I'm just showing you the experience of what it takes to make the videos that we do, from my end as an editor. Anyways, as usual, to my guys following me, that watch my videos consistently, or to all you cicada guys that comes back every year to watch my videos, I massively appreciate you guys, and I think I keep making these videos because they're a lot of fun. I do enjoy making these videos. And to like the viewers that click on my videos and they get mad, they're like, "Oh, I want my time back." It's like, bruh, I wish you the best, but I don't want to see your negative comments anymore, and I'll just hide you from my channel. Simple as that. Fuck it. Seriously, man, I'm having way too much fun in these events. Checking out the tech, meeting like cool people here, hanging out with Paul. Man, I have like zero time to be reading negative comments or dealing with that shit. So it's almost like I have to make this announcement every time I make these types of videos during these conventions. It just happens. But anyways, I'm about to have lunch. Paul's on his way, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. It's definitely starting to get crowded. It's 4 o'clock at the moment. Thirsty as shit. We got water at the room, but I don't know. Recently, I became an addict of Gatorade, so I'm just going to the Walgreens to have an excuse to walk, and also to get myself a Gatorade. Also like my candy bars. Just add like a bit of variety. I'm gonna, I don't know, just a different exit, just to have a bit of a variety for this part of the video. Nice. I just walked by a fucking big cloud of marijuana. It's funny. So that area earlier, that's where I was at, by the beef restaurant area. Huh. Yeah, I guess this is like one of the main entrances for this place. Nice looking spot. Yeah, man, nice to step out for a bit. All right, just walking over to Walgreens. I've been seeing these a lot also, like the robo-taxis. So these guys over here, it's kind of interesting to see them like work in person. It's neat. It's Wednesday, it's the middle of my trip here in Vegas with Paul. Usually there's always one day during my trip where I have to stay in the room editing all day. So today happens to be that day. To the people that follow me and interested to see what I'm doing, or interested to see the behind the scenes thing, yeah, this is part of it. Just editing and basically, from sun up to sundown, just have to get it done. I personally don't like going home with work. Also, I got something planned with my girlfriend. I'm going on a little mini vacation trip after this, so I want to make sure I get all my videos done for Paul and just be, free of any obligations with video editing. Now, where am I going? I promised myself and my girlfriend that I'm just gonna keep it to ourselves this time. This past couple of years, I've been like vlogging just about every trip I've been doing, every little event or whatever, and oh man, I'm kind of like past that. I just want to take a break of even vlogging for myself. I'll still be taking my camera and take some video, and then after the trip I'll make a quick video of what I did. But yeah, I'm not gonna take the time to vlog like I am now when I'm on vacation with my girlfriend. It's just me and her time. Back to Walgreens. Yeah, just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go another way towards my room just to change it up a bit, because I really don't know if I'm gonna film anymore after this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through the Grand Canal shops. Go through the Grand Canal shop and hope I don't get lost. Which is very easy to do. But yeah, like I said, I'm just today's one of those days where I'm just stuck in the room editing, so I just want to because I have more fluff. Oh, these are nice looking cakes. Huh. I like that cell shaded look. Yeah, this is like in between the Venetian and the Palazzo. I do like the fantasy that they built here for people to explore. Yeah, it does get fun. Get a little boat ride, why not? Even the lighting in here is pretty pleasant. Like as you walk, the ceiling does feel like it's moving a little bit. The way how the ceiling is designed with the clouds. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. Like, I mean, fantasy-wise, I'm gonna come here and just shop and eat or whatever. It's it's one of the nicest areas to come and visit. This one in the Caesar Palace is pretty cool to check out. But yeah, if you remember earlier, I think I showed you the horse. Yeah, it's right there. And beneath me is where they have like that Wizard of Oz display with the figures. Yeah. Yeah, when I first brought my girlfriend here, she was like, "Oh my God, it's so beautiful." She got emotional. Yeah, it is a nice spot to walk around. I like it. I definitely do not understand the expensive brands though on that. I mean, when it comes to like clothes, I'm okay with Levi's because they fucking last forever, or buying good shoes like Vans, $100 a pair, and they last me a while. But yeah, everything else past that, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they'll get to that point, but I'm not interested. Cool. Cool, another angle of the horse. Yeah. Yeah, when it gets packed, it starts to get packed. Yeah, I believe there should be an elevator around here. Oh, the bling, as they say. Oof. It's like a fancy perfumery there. You can smell it. It can be nice to walk around because, you know, you see a lot of shit that's just, you drink champagne with your pinky up kind of vibe. But it's stuff that it's good to look at, but not stuff for me to have an interest to purchase. I do like this tree though. Neat. You can find some cool art here. Alright, I'm gonna head back to the room. Got what I needed, so back to work. If I don't do anything else for the rest of the day, I guess this is the end of this video. It's how it is, man. I just have to work. It's not always fun and filming and playing with tech. You know, obviously, you gotta work. That's what I'm here for. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.